In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom alarm tone on an iPhone. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the application GarageBand or install it if you haven't already. It is completely free on the App Store. Anyways, from here, press on the plus button on the top right just like so. Then go ahead and select on audio recorder. Then afterwards, it is going to bring you to a timeline that looks like this. From here, go ahead and press on this menu button right over here. And then it is going to give you something that looks like this. Then what you want to do is you want to press on this blue button right over here, and then it is going to turn white. Then you want to tap on the loop button, which is on the top right here. And from here, you guys are able to go ahead and select on files, and then look for the file where your custom audio is. So if you installed it somewhere on your device, then you should see it over here. You can also select on browse items from the files app right over here. So that is definitely something you could do. Select on browse and then go ahead and try to find it. But for this video, I'm just going to be using some beats over here that already come pre-made on GarageBand. And then as you're able to tell, here it is. And we can go ahead and play it so you're able to test out your audio and make sure that it actually does work, and that's something that you want. And then from here, you can go ahead and adjust it to your liking. And then what you want to do is you want to press on this plus button right here, then select on section A and make sure that automatic is turned off. And then over here where it says manual, you want to make sure that is turned up to 15 seconds right over here. Then go ahead and press on done. And then what you want to do is you want to go to the top left, select on this arrow button right over here, then select on my songs. All right, then afterwards, it is going to appear right over here underneath recents. If it's not here, go ahead and check browse, but you want to long press on it right over here. Then you want to select on share, and then you will see this option that says ringtone. Please go ahead and press on it, and then give your song a name. So I'm just going to be calling it My Song 2. And then you just want to select on export right over here. And then afterwards, there you go. It is now going to say successfully exported. Go ahead and press on OK. And now what you want to do from here is you want to open up the clock app. All right, so here's the clock app right over here. And all you want to do is you want to create a new alarm by pressing on the plus button on the top right. Then where it says sound, you should be able to go ahead and find your song right here. And as you're able to tell, yep, there it is. But yeah, from there, you're able to go ahead and select on your sound effect, and then you're good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.